guys, thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by MOTOWN TRESS. So thank you so much, MOTOWN TRESS, for sending over this unit. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're sharing these videos, liking these videos, reposting these videos, doing everything you need to do, girl. Texting it to your bestie, emailing it to your mom. Let everybody know about these wigs and this channel. Let's get it popping. Today's unit is from MOTOWN TRESS. It's by their collection Less Lace. It's their spin part, and this unit is called LDP Spin64, and I have her in FWine/4 Frost. And this is what the unit looks like. This wine color looks really pretty. So this unit does come with soft lace all the way around the perimeter. It has 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. Looks like it has some baby hairs in the back. Looks like it has baby hairs in the front. It has a very deep part. And the part looks okay. Yeah, actually looks pretty good. Actually, the part looks pretty good. I already have my own baby hairs laid down, but clearly this wig is red, so we will lay down the baby hairs on the wig. The back of the wig just looks like really soft waves. This wig is giving me Bia vibes. Definitely giving me Bia 24-inch vibes. So let's see how she looks. She feels silky. Actually, I'm not feeling any yuckiness. We have some layers, but they are definitely long. So this is a long one, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder into the part, and I'm going to lay down the baby hairs, and I will be right back. If you're curious about the unit that I have on my head, I do have a review on this unit. I can link it right here, but make sure you finish watching this video first.